Hello class 2, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So today in our EVS class we will start with chapter number 17, which is plants. Alright. So today in our class you will learn about various types of plants. Alright. We see many plants around us, isn't it children? There are many different plants in our earth. Some of them are big, others are small. Some plants stand erect, other climb along a support. So there are various types of plants. Okay, so some are erect. Okay, they can stand straight like this. Okay, and some plants they need support. They cannot stand straight. Some plant creep along the ground. All right. Now we will learn parts of plants. Okay, a plant has many parts. Just like our body, a plant also has many parts. They are the root. This is root. Okay, children. Stem, branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. Okay, see, this is the diagram of picture of plant. This is root, fruits, leaves, okay, branch or stem, leaf, flower. All right. The root grows into the ground, like inside the ground. It grows into the ground. It fixes the plant in the ground. Okay. So it helps, root helps plant to fix. Okay. So that they can stand firmly. The stem grows above the ground. This is stem. So after root, the stem grows, okay, grows above the ground. It has branches, like see, this is branch. Okay, it holds the leaf and flowers and fruits. It has branches, leaves, flowers and fruits grow on branches. Okay, it holds the fruit, flower and leaf. Okay, green leaves make food for the plant. Okay, so this green leaf, it helps plant to prepare a food. Okay, flowers change into fruits. Okay, so this beautiful flower, what happens? It changes into fruit. Okay, flowers changes into fruit. Seeds are hidden inside the fruits. Okay, so inside the fruit, seed is hidden. All right. Now, types of plants. Trees, shrubs and herbs are the main types of plants. Okay, this is tree. Okay, so there are three types of plants: trees, shrubs and herbs. Trees are tall and strong plant. Okay, so basically trees are strong and they are tall, like apple tree, mango tree, okay, orange tree. They are strong and tall. Okay, they have a woody stem. See, large one. Okay, they have woody stem called the trunk. This is called trunk. Okay, many branches grow on a trunk. Okay, so not only one or two branches that you will see in plant, but in trees you will see many strong branches. Okay, the branches spread out to give shade. All right, many animals find their shelter under a tree. Okay, so when there is a scorching heat from sun, what do animals do? And us, even us also. Okay, we go under the tree to relax. Okay, so that we get shade. Okay, many animals find their shelter under a tree. Mango, neem, eucalyptus and banyan are some example of trees. Okay, see, mango trees, eucalyptus trees, banyan tree or apple tree, just like I said before, isn't it? These are trees. Okay, now next we'll talk about shrubs. Shrubs are woody plants. They are also woody plants without a trunk, but it doesn't have trunk. See, very thin one. Okay, they are plants with several stems growing from the base. Many branches grow on each stem, making a shrub bushy. Okay, so here, okay, mulberry, pomegranate, cotton and rose are some of examples shrub. Okay, so cotton and rose are some of examples shrub. All right, so these are shrub plants. They have thin trunk. Okay, not large trunk. All right, next is herbs. Herbs are small plants with green stem. they do not have woody stems. Okay, grasses are herbs, rice and wheat are also herbs. Okay, so herbs, they are small plant. Okay, they are not like trees and shrub trees. Okay, they are small plants. All right, they do not have woody stem. Okay, very thin branch. Okay, grasses are herbs. Okay, the plant that we see on the ground, they are grasses, isn't it? Rice and wheat are also herb. Some herbs such as mint, fenugreek and coriander are used in medicines, isn't it? Okay, so they are also used in kitchen, in food as well. Okay, and they are also medicines. Some herbs are used in cooking. Okay, children. So trees, they have strong branch. Okay, they have strong trunk. Shrubs, they have thin trunk. Okay, but they look bushy. Okay, and herbs, they are very small in size and they have thin branch. All right, now some plants climb along a support. Okay, so some plants are there who need support to grow. Okay, they need a support to stand erect, to stand straight. They are called climbers. Okay, so what they are called? They are called climbers. The plants that they need support to grow are called climbers. They have weak stem. They have very weak stem. That's why they cannot grow. They cannot. They cannot stand erect. Okay, stand still. Grapevine. Okay, such as grapevine, money plant, and cucumber are climbers. See, climber plants. All right. Watermelon is also climbers. Okay, some plants spread on the ground. They, what they do, they spread on the ground. Okay, why? They cannot stand erect. All right, they are called creepers. Okay, so plants that they spread on the ground are called creepers. See, creeper plants. Creeper plants like watermelon. Watermelon is creeper plant. Okay, and money, see, grapevine, money plant and cucumbers are climbers, whereas some plants spread on the ground, they are called creepers. Watermelon is a creeper plant. Like climbers, creepers also have weak stem. Okay, pumpkin and watermelon are creepers. Okay, children. So next is uses of plants. Plants are very useful to us. We get many things from plants. Plants are also useful to animals. Okay, not only for us, it is also useful for animals. Okay, children. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we will continue with this chapter. All right. Thank you.